Tests for alcohols. Alcohols are organic compounds containing the hydroxyl functional group. They are formed by replacing the hydrogen atom of a hydrocarbon with a OH group. Alcohols are classified as monohydric, dihydric and trihydric depending on the number of hydroxyl groups. They are further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary according to the hydroxyl group attached to primary, secondary and tertiary carbon atoms respectively. Methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol are the simplest alcohols. Our aim here is to identify alcohols using some simple tests. They are sodium metal test, ester test, steric ammonium nitrate test, acetyl chloride test, iodoform test, Lucas test. Sodium metal test. Materials required: organic compound, anhydrous calcium sulfate, sodium metal, test tubes, funnel, filter papers, spatula and forceps. Procedure: take a small quantity of organic compound in a test tube. To this, add a small quantity of anhydrous calcium sulfate using a spatula. Shake the test tube well to remove any water content in the organic compound. Filter the contents into another clean, dry test tube. Now, take a small piece of sodium metal using the forceps and place it on a filter paper. Dry sodium metal by pressing it between the folds of the filter paper. Now, put the dry piece of sodium into the organic compound using the forceps. Alcohol reacts with active metals like sodium to produce effervescence due to the liberation of hydrogen gas. Ester test. Materials required: organic compound, glacial acetic acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, cold water, test tube, droppers and water bath. Procedure: take a small quantity of organic compound in a test tube. To this, add a small quantity of glacial acetic acid using a dropper. Using another dropper, add a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to the test tube. Warm the mixture in a water bath for few minutes. Now, pour the mixture into about 20 milliliters of cold water taken in a beaker and smell it by wafting. Alcohol reacts with carboxylic acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form a fruity smelling compound called esters. Steric ammonium nitrate test. Materials required: organic compound, steric ammonium nitrate reagent, test tube and a dropper. Procedure: take a small quantity of steric ammonium nitrate reagent using a dropper. Add it into the test tube containing a small quantity of organic compound. Shake the test tube well. Alcohol reacts with steric ammonium nitrate to give a red coloration due to the formation of alkoxycerium 4 complex. Acetyl chloride test. Materials required: organic compound, anhydrous calcium sulfate, acetyl chloride, ammonium hydroxide, test tubes, dropper, spatula, funnel, filter paper and glass rod. Procedure: take a small quantity of organic compound in a test tube. To this, add a small quantity of anhydrous calcium sulfate using the spatula. Shake the test tube well to remove any water content in the organic compound. Filter the contents into another clean, dry test tube. Using a dropper, add a small quantity of acetyl chloride into the compound. Shake the test tube well. Alcohol reacts with acetyl chloride to give hydrogen chloride gas. Now, dip the glass rod in ammonium hydroxide solution and bring it over the mouth of the test tube. The hydrogen chloride reacts with ammonium hydroxide to form white fumes of ammonium chloride. Iodoform test. Materials required: organic compound, 1% iodine solution, dilute sodium hydroxide, test tube, droppers, and water bath. Procedure: take a small quantity of organic compound in a test tube. To this, add a small quantity of 1% iodine solution using a dropper. Then, add dilute sodium hydroxide dropwise until the brown color of iodine is discharged. Warm the mixture gently on a water bath. When alcohol containing CH3CHOH group is warmed with sodium hydroxide solution and iodine, a yellow precipitate of iodoform is formed. Lucas test. Materials required: primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols, Lucas reagent, dropper, and water bath. Procedure: take a small quantity of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol in 3 different test tubes labeled as A, B and C. Using the dropper, add a small quantity of Lucas reagent into tertiary alcohol taken in test tube C. Shake the test tube well. Tertiary alcohol reacts instantaneously with Lucas reagent to form alkyl chloride, which being insoluble results in cloudiness in the solution. Then add a small quantity of Lucas reagent into secondary alcohol taken in test tube B and shake the test tube well. Secondary alcohol reacts in about 1 to 5 minutes with Lucas reagent to form alkyl chloride, which being insoluble results in cloudiness in the solution. Now add a small quantity of Lucas reagent into primary alcohol. Warm the test tube on a water bath. On warming, primary alcohol reacts with the Lucas reagent to form alkyl chloride, which being insoluble results in cloudiness in the solution.